you doing, Kevin?
I'm starting the car.
I don't want the exhibit.
Our exhibit.
Test drive number 1.
Hey, what's going on here?
Well, we were going to take this out on the boulevard, and me and the troops and I, and well, the water pump ended up giving up the ghost. So, got a water pump over there on top of the trash can. Got it all painted up and gasketed up. I just got to throw it on and get this back going. And yeah, just get to the point where we're just knocking down the little issues. We haven't driven it much, so it's just got to figure it out, you know. So, all right. Well, we're gonna do some introduction here. Everybody has met Jerry before. So,
Hi.
hi. And who is this nice young lady over here?
I am Jerry's daughter, Leanne.
Oh, you have a name.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. I saw you made your way right into the 57 here. What have you seen the pictures of when I got this?
No.
Okay. Think about you falling through the floor right now, and there's nothing there. Nothing. Nothing.
All of this? You got all of this?
Someone went psycho loco on the bracing on this, which is good.
Wow.
We're gonna show you. We will show you pictures of what this was to get a better idea. Not like we need to toot horns here, but to see John.
It doesn't work.
Well, I got a hot wire for that. So I disconnect all the horns because your mom likes to honk, and then take off and leave me holding the bag of embarrassment. So I'm going to ask you questions, even though I've known you more than 10 years. You're I would say you're a car enthusiast. You know, your mother's a car girl who will spin some wrenches. She has. But I'm gonna call you a car enthusiast. So, what's your favorite car?
She's not afraid of working though.
Well, she hasn't showed me anything yet, so we may change her name. Get to work.
I mean.
Oh boy. This is a pretty easy question.
If I could have a car right now, I would have like an 80. Well, I don't know. There's like 3 cars I really like a lot.
All right, we'll rattle them off.
A Grand National.
Okay. Those are badass.
Any late 80s Trans Am.
Okay.
Or the truck that we have, what's it called? Box body? I don't know.
The 71 pickup?
No, the 90 GMC.
The truck they have, that AJ.
Oh, that's the.
It's not a square nose. It's the next gen.
All right, tell us what's happening.
Hi. Well, we having a little bit of an issue over here. If you pan in on the right down here, this water neck is actually leaking and puddling up in here, and it seems like they put a cert in here to fix threads. And before, it's getting better now, but you could catch it with your finger and you could tell it was leaking in this area because it was probably raised, and it gets a little O-ring in here. So trying to get that handled. And we drove the car a few times, Beatnik 57, and I had it stored for a couple days at someone's storage unit because I'm doing another job. But bringing it back, we had to reset timing and stuff like that. So our goal today is to bring it out and cruise the boulevard here in beautiful Lake Havasu City. So hopefully an extension of this video, we're gonna see us laughing and having fun going down the boulevard, waving through the windshield. You know, so
that's the plan.
Yep. So that's where we are.
So what's in
with
this box, Kev?
Those are new to me, but used front shocks.
Shocking.
It is pretty shocking. I haven't seen them yet. So let me pop them open. They're
Let's
supposed to be
Let's look. Hopefully it's not a gag.
two-way adjustable. Oh my God, it's a blow-up doll.
Well, those aren't even as exciting as I thought.
Yeah. Yeah. But you know what? These
Still
work.
good.
They work, and I'm very
There's two.
yeah, there's two. And I'm very grateful that Mr. Gregory took them off his car because he put actual QA1 stuff on it, and I got the old stuff. I mean, wasn't that Buddy supposed to give me all the brand new stuff?
You got
Right?
the generic shocks?
I know. They're all gonna laugh at me. Like,
They're all gonna laugh at you.
got the old shocks. Well, just to add on this car, it is Beatnik 57, and it's literally I scavenged parts from everywhere for this thing, and
There's 48 cars in this.
there's about 48 cars in this thing. Maybe,
Oh
well, actually, no, 49 now. But I mean, it's coming out good. I mean, this is a very common thing that, you know, because there's 57s that rust out so bad and then they surrender their all the rest of their parts. So this is just what happens. You just got to find all the stuff and take it from there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Causing a traffic jam.
Uh-oh. Must be a snowbird. So, well, gonna get back to work.
All right, let's do it.
Need some timing.
That's rad.